Good morning, guys. How is everybody? I hope you guys are doing wonderful today. So you're probably wondering, why is Miss Deal in this snazzy tank top? So today, for the Spirit Week, is Workout Wednesday, and we're supposed to wear our favorite workout gear and show our favorite exercise. I will be showing my favorite exercise at the end of the video, but my workout gear, my favorite, after this, we're getting tacos. I'm not going to lie, between missing school and Cadence Sports, going to the gym and doing my workouts is also way up there on my list of things I'm missing right now during all this chaos. But on to our morning meeting. So today, there's our snazzy music. It is Wednesday, which means what's happening Wednesday will be coming out later. It is still April, and it is the 22nd. So it is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Today's weather. So there's supposed to be storms randomly, some rain popping up throughout the day. It is still supposed to be warm. Let's see if there's kind of sunny, because it's sunny right now, but it's going to be stormy this afternoon. So let's just go with rainy. But it is still supposed to be warm. So all right, today we're going to start with what is today's days. It is National Book Mobile Day. Okay. All right. It is Earth Day, so get out and do something cool and fun for the earth. Let me know if you do any fun crafts or anything, because if we were in class, we'd do something cool craft-wise. National Girl Scout Leader Day. I know we have some Girl Scouts within the group, so say hello and shout out to your Girl Scout leaders. Jelly Bean Day. Jelly beans have their own day. Very cool. And Administrative Professionals Day. So this is like Miss Brenda and Miss Amy. It's their special day. So shout out to them. All right. Our current event. Earth Day. So Wisconsin Senator Gaylord Nelson started Earth Day. Senator Nelson saw a lot of pollution on Earth. He planned the first Earth Day on April 22nd, 1970. He asked people to help clean up Earth. More than 2 million people helped. Now, many countries celebrate Earth Day. Earth Day teaches people to care for the earth. People gather to pick up litter, recycle trash, plant trees, and much more. The people make Earth cleaner and better. So lots of different options to do. There's also this cool little website I will share with you guys of different Earth Day artwork you can do. There's some pictures and things you can put in your window, especially with the time being right now. And ways to celebrate, things you can do there. Oh, there's homework resources in case you need some homework. But very cool little thing. And I will, like I said, we'll share this website with you. For the choice board activity that I did the suffixes or words and parts at the end of a word. The ed, the ing, s, and es are all suffixes. Add one of these endings to each of the following words. I did not draw a picture. I did a sentence, and I tried to use each of them. So jump, sleep, play, girl, and place. I jumped into the pool. So I changed jumped to jumped with the ed. Caden is sleeping in. I changed to sleep with an ing to sleeping. I wish I was playing with you all right now. So I changed play to playing with the ing. The girls, I used two of them in this one. The girls all played in the yard. So I changed girls with an S, and I changed play to played with the ed. Didn't realize I did two of them. And then I placed my coffee right next to me. There's my coffee right next to me. All right. Pause the video, head down to get into more space so that I can show you guys my favorite Workout Wednesday move. Don't mind my dogs if they go walking by, but my favorite workout move is with the kettlebell that my trainer so graciously let me bring home, and I haven't been using very much. But I like to do a swing. So you swing it, and then you come up, and you do a squat, and then you push it above your arms. And that is my favorite move to do, because I feel like it gets my entire body. It's one exercise, technically kind of three, but it gets everything. So that is my favorite Workout Wednesday move. My favorite Workout Wednesday gear is we're getting tacos, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday. I miss you guys all very much, and I will talk to you later. Bye.